Here's some armadillos and ecology trivia. Subscribe. What is the primary diet of most armadillos? Is it A, plants, B, fruits, C, small mammals, or D, insects? The correct answer is D, insects. How many species of armadillos are there? Is it A, 30 species, B, 15 species, C, 50 species, or D, 21 species? The correct answer is D, 21 species. Which armadillo species is known for rolling into a ball? Is it A, three-banded armadillo, B, nine-banded armadillo, C, southern Andean armadillo, or D, giant armadillo? The correct answer is A, three-banded armadillo. What feeding behavior do armadillos exhibit? Is it A, nesting, foraging, C, sleeping, or D, hibernating? The correct answer is B, foraging. What do armadillos primarily seek for food? Is it A, termites, B, mushrooms, C, grasses, or D, flowers? The correct answer is A, termites. Which armadillo has the longest range in the U.S.? Is it A, nine-banded, B, three-banded, C, pink, or D, giant? The correct answer is A, nine-banded. What type of climate do armadillos thrive in? Is it A, mountainous areas, B, warm climates, C, cold climates, or D, Arctic regions? The correct answer is B, warm climates. What is the armadillo's primary defense mechanism? Is it A, running away, B, climbing trees, C, camouflage, or D, burrowing? The correct answer is D, burrowing. Which armadillo species has the ability to dig quickly? Is it A, southern long-nosed, B, giant, C, nine-banded, or D, hairy? The correct answer is A, southern long-nosed. Which armadillo species has the most distinct armor plates? Is it A, southern hairy, B, three-banded, C, six-banded, or D, pink fairy? The correct answer is C, six-banded. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.